Medical doctor Dr Reynolds responds to questions about the therapeutic benefits of wheatgrass. Does wheatgrass help mouth ulcers?
Well, it's the only thing I've ever come across that can make a difference in my clinical experience. Aphthous ulcers, we call them, or oral canker, or many different names for it. Stress ulcers, people call them stress ulcers because when they're under stress, that's when they appear, and they can be very, very painful. They can be multiple. I've seen ulcers virtually covering every part of the mouth, usually more solitary. I've used many, many things. There are medications out there that are really sealants. They actually cover the ulcer. Silicone and things like that you can use, but they only last a few minutes. It stops the pain because the ulcer's covered. You can use painkillers, analgesics, but it doesn't seem to work. Some people use steroid lotions and things, which I think is getting a bit heavy for a small ulcer like that, but I find that wheatgrass certainly is worked on many, many occasions in my experience, and quite quickly. Sometimes it's almost instantaneous. But how that happens, I have no idea. Well, I'm saying I have no idea. I think we know that wheatgrass is a natural anti-inflammatory. We know that it's rapidly absorbed through mucous membranes, and it's quite likely that that's how it works. It inhibits substance P, which is a neurotransmitter which transmits pain to the brain, and it inhibits that process. There are a lot of different things that it can do, but exactly how that works I don't know. But I've had many successes in that respect.
In what form should wheatgrass be applied?
Grow your own juice and put it on any wound, on a burn, use it for first aid. It's quite extraordinary. And this is what they were doing many, many years ago, back in the 1930s, in big hospitals in the United States. And it worked. And it's safe. That's the beauty of it. You know, as a doctor, you're always looking for something that's not going to cause more problems than the condition that you're treating. And that's why I use it, wheatgrass, on so many different conditions. A, because it often works, and B, the side effects are virtually zero. There are people that react to wheatgrass like they react to anything, but not like you get into normal medical practice.
Does wheatgrass cause side effects?
Well, some people get diarrhea, some people get abdominal pain and cramps. I was talking to somebody the other day that actually vomits when they take wheatgrass. And he actually grows his own wheatgrass, but for other people, but he can't take it himself. But that's pretty uncommon. Compared to what you see in an average day in a general practice, and the number of adverse reactions you're getting to drugs that somehow you have to treat, and often you have to use another drug to treat the side effect from the original one. Well, that's not medicine. That's chemistry. And often it doesn't work in the patient. So it's quite a godsend, really.